Remove filter is same as your all function, for example, but the difference here is here, see, it's kind of a syntactic sugar, which one the remove filter. Okay. Another thing is the naming standard itself pretty straightforward. Okay, you want to remove the filter, you can use it. All is something like, what is all? People will get confused. Okay, it is an alternative to your all, which one the remove filter. But when it comes to all function, there are two advantages. One is you can return an entire table name, entire table data. For example, if I go here, the data view, currently I'm in data view. I just close this, and for example, I'm going to create a new table. I go to the table tools. Currently, I'm in data view and table tools, and here I'm going to click on the new table. But here I want to take a clone of the which dim underscore date, something like that, is equivalent to all function. You can use all function, and here dim date. It's simply a duplicate clone this table. Okay, it's simply copy this table's data, including the columns, everything, and then it'll put it in a new table. Okay, if you want to copy the content of dim date table or any table to another table, you can use all function. In addition to that, you can use all function to modify the filter context. Look here, what is happening here? The dim date. Okay, it is going to rename table. Is already used for a table. Okay, dim date 1. For example, I just say dim date 1. I just press enter. Okay, there is a problem with the dim date table itself. You see, there is a calculate table measure, right? So that's the reason why I just calculate table measure. I just remove this. Day name. We have simple day name also has some problem. I just remove this one also. Now we don't see any other error except the day name. Okay, if this one gets removed and if you press enter, it will create a clone of a dim date table. Okay, still we have something as dim date fact. Okay, I created so many tables. That is a different table altogether, right? Okay, yeah, look here, it got it. So some errors were there. So now this is a clone of this file. Okay, so if you want to take a clone of existing table, then you can go for all function, and also you can use an all function inside a calculate function to modify the filter context. That is what we discussed. Similarly, now look here, remove filter. So it is an alternative to your all function, which is the remove filter. But using remove filter, you cannot clone a table. That is the difference between the all function and remove filter function. Both all and remove filter are same. The only difference is all with all function you can do a clone. You can use the all function individually, independently. Okay, you can use it as a standalone function. But you cannot use remove filters as a standalone function. You cannot directly use that function. You'll have to use it inside your calculate only. Okay, so now where is this function remove? Right, so it's same as your all function. Okay, the all function same as your all function. It shows here also. Okay, And since here it is full already, I use the other table. This table also copy of this one. The table visual. I'm talking about the table visual, not the other table. Okay, fine. So now you understood the remove filter. Okay, let me do one thing. I select beverages and then I apply the filter also. Even if I apply any filter, you can see, okay, here the all function is not there, right? Okay, I'll just show you that. 1 second, Soumya, that's what I mean. 1 second. Mm, all total revenue. Yeah, all total revenue. Yes, correct. Look here, both of them, all function, remove filters function, both of them are doing the same thing. Okay. And even if I apply any other filter, it is not going to change it. Okay. Okay. Here, nothing is there in Mumbai. 1 second. Here, yeah. So in this case, what is happening? In addition to this, I have used the location column. Whereas in this case, what we mentioned, the remove filter and all function, I have used the category column, right? So other than category column, if I apply any other filter, it will still obey, right? It will respect. So look here in Bangalore, what is the total revenue it shows here. I'll just exclude this one. I just remove this one. Let's add it to this one. Okay. In this case, we have removed the filter on category column in both the all using all and remove filter function. Both of them behave the same way, but using remove filter, you cannot clone a table, but with all function, you can clone a table. You can test it that one also. Okay. So now you understood what is remove filter. Okay, now, there is not much difference between remove and all function. You might be asking this question, then why all function? If you want to clone it, you can use all function. It's a dual purpose. But remove filter, as the name itself, anyone can understand. Remove filter is nothing but removing the filters from all the. It removes all the filters.